As I leave the Zimbabwe Republic Police, let me take this opportunity to inform everyone that I will be going into farming, which I benefited through the government's land reform program.
It is through support from these structures that I have managed to be a person I am today. Of particular and special mention is my dear brother, the retiring outgoing Commissioner General of Police, Matanga. My dear brother, we have come a long way and I have learned a lot from you, which I look forward to utilize in my new responsibility as the Commissioner General of the Zimbabwe Public Police.
The parade will now advance in review order for the handover and takeover ceremony, and as they advance, the band will play Vaipururudza. Ladies and gentlemen, this symbolizes the handover and takeover of the command of the Zimbabwe Public Police, all the departments of the Zimbabwe Public Police. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause. In cultural heritage, Honorable Kazimbe Kazimbe, to witness the signing ceremony. A round of applause for him as he comes forward, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the chief witness, the Honorable Minister for Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage, Honorable Kazimbe Kazembe, has just witnessed the official handover and takeover of the command of the Zimbabwe Republic Police. A round of applause for him as he takes his seat.
I am exceedingly delighted to address you at this important occasion as we have gathered to witness the change of guard at this great national institution. For me personally, it is a boundless moment of delight as I bid farewell to long-standing colleagues and the organization that I served over a long period of time. Alas, the day will certainly come when we have to separate from the organization that we have so much and equally drew a lot of friendships, experiences, and livelihoods. Allow me, therefore, to express my heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Comrade Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, for according me the privilege to serve the nation in the office of the Commissioner General of Police. Equally, I am grateful for his guidance and indeed the whole of government, in particular the security infrastructure, for their enduring support during my tenure. More importantly, my sincere gratitude also goes to the general public of Zimbabwe, my regional peers, these are regional police chiefs, and the media for the support they rendered to my tenure. In the same manner, may I also take this opportunity to clarify an incorrect position that has been peddled in the media recently pertaining to my retirement. Ladies and gentlemen, listen carefully. I was properly served by the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, His Excellency, Comrade Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, at a time when my retirement was due. Honorable Minister said, I am so content with the contribution and the service I gave to the country in pursuit of national goals and aspirations. Suffice to say, the bar to modernize the police service is relatively high in view of resource constraints, skills flight, and the crippling sanctions we have endured for decades, among other challenges. I am, however, confident that a new broom sweeps clean, and my successor will be able to write on the achievements that we have made and tackle existing challenges head on. I am comforted to pass the baton to Comrade Mutamba, whom I have been with in the trenches for many years and have no doubt in his capacity to steer the ship going forward. In the same breath, I want to thank him and all the Deputy Commissioner Generals for their unwavering support during my tenure. I wish to also thank all senior officers, junior officers, and members of the police service who shared and advanced the vision of the organization through the provision of quality police service to the people of our great nation. ladies and gentlemen, I am not oblivious to the stress that comes with the police work, which impacts on the family unit. Talk of long hours or days away from home, sudden unforeseen issues. You are never home on holidays, and the perilous conditions police officers face daily, which all put a strain on the family. I therefore want to take this opportunity to thank my wife and children, and indeed all police officers' spouses, for being the pillars of strength and comfort to police officers while they are in service to the nation. That said, I want to thank God for taking me this far. I started serving this country at a tender age of 14 years when I joined the liberation struggle. Sadly, some liberation fighters did not make it to the new Zimbabwe. As we fight the menace of drug and substance abuse, I wish the ethos of my generation's patriotism to triumph over the drug scourge. Personally, I am happy to have served my country and will remain committed and available to defend the tenets of the revolution, as well as the country's economic development. As I leave the Zimbabwe Republic Police, let me take this opportunity to inform everyone that I will be going into farming, which I benefited through the government's land reform program, as well as pursue other business ventures. I want to thank you all.
I feel honored, humbled and privileged to accept such an onerous national responsibility, that of becoming the Commissioner General of Police. May I from the onset express gratitude to the appointing authority, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, His Excellency, Comrade Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, for trusting me with the responsibility of leading such a critical national security institution. I sincerely thank His Excellency and the government of Zimbabwe. It is a responsibility that I take seriously and will definitely give my very best effort to preserve and execute to the highest honor, respect and expectations of the government and people of Zimbabwe. Honorable Minister said, it is my understanding that without your assurances and support, this responsibility could have been assigned to someone else. As such, I am equally grateful for putting national trust in me and wish to give you my highest assurances. Growing up in the Zimbabwe Republic Police, I have learned a lot from my colleagues and peers, including from those sister security institutions, which has helped me develop as a policeman and nurtured my capabilities. It is through support from these structures that I have managed to be a person I am today. Of particular and special mention is my dear brother, the retiring and outgoing Commissioner General of Police, Matanga. My dear brother, we have come a long way and I have learned a lot from you, which I look forward to utilize in my new responsibility as the Commissioner General of the Zimbabwe Republic Police. Let me hasten to say that one of the immediate inheritances that we have bequeathed me is discipline, a disciplined police service, well established and appropriately guided by the strategic plan Horizon 2025. Although the strategic plan is coming to the end of its lifetime, the foundation it has laid for the organization are critical going forward. More so at a time when the police service has a vital role of creating a conducive environment for the sustenance and success of national development priorities pronounced through Vision 2030. I greatly thank you, my dear brother, for laying such a strong foundation. Going forward, I hope to build on the already reinforced pillars to ensure that the Zimbabwe Republic Police indeed becomes a modern police service that leverages technology towards fulfilling its constitutional mandate. In doing so, I will equally continue to ride on discipline as the cornerstone of the organization, while it's also expecting all members and officers of the organization to remain steadfast. May I therefore take this opportunity to reassure the appointing authority, the responsible Honorable Minister of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage, the whole of government, as well as the people of Zimbabwe, that I'm ready to take my assigned role and look forward to your support in doing so. Once again, thank you, Retired Commissioner General of Police, T.G. Matanga, for your mentorship. I thank you, Honorable Minister of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage, for gracing the occasion. Above all, I thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Comrade Dr. E.D. Mandagwa, for trusting me and appointing me to head the organization. Be rest assured that your trust will not be in vain. I look forward to the support and cooperation from the people of Zimbabwe in our endeavor to guarantee continued public confidence in the police service. In addition, it is my shared hope that we will be able to galvanize a disciplined and a corrupt-free police service by the year 2030. Thank you very much. Siyabonga. Tatenda.
Wangu Bahasha TV, not the best entertainment kubva kumarutivi, mana ese muZimbabwe Bahasha. Bahasha TV, nyaya sezvadziri.